We have more news coming in. Rahul Gandhi's scathing attack on Prime Minister Modi says Modi is not a big problem for me. His Modi mein dum nahi hai attack. Modi is just show, doesn't have power. Narendra Modi not a big problem. This is Rahul Gandhi's wife at Prime Minister Modi. Narendra Modi कोई बड़ी problem नहीं है. वो अपने सर पर चढ़ा रखा है. आपने सर पे चढ़ा रखा है. Beg your pardon. That's what he said. I'm going to quote the leader of the opposition here. Modi बड़ा problem नहीं है is what he said. I hadn't met him earlier. Now I've met him 2 to 3 times. It's just a big show. Doesn't have power. दम नहीं है. Listen.
नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं. वो नहीं मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, ये आपने अपने सिर पे चढ़ा रखा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ये जो मीडिया वाले हैं इन्होंने बना रखा है, इसका गुब्बारा बनाया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अब पहले तो मैं मिला नहीं था, अब 2-3 बार मैं मिल भी लिया हूं, बात समझ गया हूं मैं, कुछ नहीं उसमें. शो पूरा शो है, दम नहीं है, बता रहा हूं. आप लोग मिले नहीं हो, मैं मिला हूं.
Amit Bharadwaj is getting in more details. This is sure to invite the ire of the government and the BJP. Essentially because in a public platform, this is what the leader of the opposition has said. They've in fact always condemned any personal attack against the Prime Minister. And this time around also Rahul Gandhi has said that the Prime Minister has got no power. Just take us through the details and also on what platform did Gandhi make these comments?
Well, the Congress Party is holding OBC Bhagidari Mahasammelan in the national capital at the Talkatura Stadium, and that's where Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, was speaking. And Rahul Gandhi said that he had set 3 primary targets in regards to the OBC community, including the caste census, reservation. And while saying so, he said that but there is a big problem to tackle as well. And that's when the crowd started taking, the Congress workers from the OBC Morcha started taking name of Prime Minister Modi, to which Rahul Gandhi took a swipe immediately, saying that no, Prime Minister Modi is not a big problem. I don't consider him as a big problem. Rather, when I had not met him in the past, but now that I have met him twice or thrice, I don't consider him as a big problem. And he went on to say that, he's just like a big show and does not have the impact or does not have the power.
With us, Amit, we'll in fact get in the BJP to speak about what Rahul Gandhi said. RP Singh from the Bharatiya Janata Party is now with us. Your response to what has been said by the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha. Rahul Gandhi has said Modi is just show, no power. Modi mein dum nahi hai. I'm quoting the leader of the opposition here. Your take on that?
Surgical strike, Balakot, and now Operation Sindoor. He doesn't need to prove his dum after this. It's not like after 26/11 when Sonia Gandhi told Manmohan Singh not to attack, not to give permission to Fali Major, Air Chief Fali Major, not to attack India. So sorry, not to attack Pakistan. So we know kisme kitna dam hai, and country knows kisme kitna dam hai. I mean, Rahul Gandhi is no one to issue certificate of dam, because he is under already agreement with the China, Communist Party of China, and till the date he makes that public, he has no right to question anyone.
All right. He's also told the audience that you have made him too important. He's not that important. He's not a big problem. He's just a big show. Your response?
I couldn't get that. Sorry, he has not made.
In fact,
I couldn't get the second.
He basically told the audience that you've made him too important. He's not such a big problem. He's got into everybody's head, referring to the Prime Minister. All right, we'll try and go back to the BJP for further on that story. Listen in once again to what Gandhi said.
नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं. वो नहीं मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, ये आपने अपने सिर पे चढ़ा रखा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ये जो मीडिया वाले हैं इन्होंने बना रखा है, इसका गुब्बारा बनाया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अब पहले तो मैं मिला नहीं था, अब 2-3 बार मैं मिल भी लिया हूं, बात समझ गया हूं मैं, कुछ नहीं उसमें। शो पूरा शो है, दम नहीं है, बता रहा हूं। आप लोग मिले नहीं हो, मैं मिला हूं।
All right, there was a comment from Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, where he spoke about the fact that the Prime Minister doesn't have any power. I'm going to quote him when I say this. He said that Modi mein koi dum nahi hai, is what Rahul Gandhi said. I met him a couple of times and he's not very important, he's not very big. Aap logon ne banaya hai, is what he said. Modi mein dum nahi hai. Attack from Rahul Gandhi there. This is an attack against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Modi is just power. Show doesn't have any power, is what Gandhi said. It's an attack against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We also have an initial reaction from the BJP, who said that the toughest decisions have been taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The surgical strike, Balakot, and of course Operation Sindoor is what the BJP has said in its earliest response to what has now been said by Rahul Gandhi. It's a scathing attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, there going all guns blazing against the Prime Minister, essentially talking about the fact that he isn't a big problem. Modi mein dum nahi hai, is what Gandhi has said. Modi is just show, he doesn't have power. We'll be going back to our reporters to get further details in the context and what this was said and how and why this was said. Amit is back with us. Amit, talk to us about what were the questions that were being asked from the audience, because it does come across as a bit of an interaction there, isn't it?
I will say, as I was also mentioning, this was OBC Bhagidari Mahasammelan of the Congress Party, where the Congress workers from the OBC community had merged together, assembled together at the Talkatura Stadium. And Rahul Gandhi was setting target for this audience and for the Congress Party in regards to how he intends to conduct caste census in Congress-governed states. Number one, number two, caste census across the nation, and number three, caste reservation in the private sector as far as education is concerned. But he said that there's a problem to this entire roadmap, and that's when the audience said...
Right. Amit, be with us. In fact, BJP's Tom Vadakkan is with us. Modi is not a big problem, no big deal, doesn't have power. He's just a show, is what Rahul Gandhi has just said. Modi mein dum nahi hai. Tom Vadakkan, your party's response to what has been said now.
90 elections having been lost, this leader without any grounding is talking about Narendra Modi ji. Does he have any sense of reckoning that he is a loser in front of Modi ji? The reality has dawned over him. But the fact of the matter is, he's a liar, and a chronic liar at that. I will dismiss this as remarks because he's trying to raise us to create a narrative that Narendra Modi ji is powerless. But he will soon realize how powerful he is if he hasn't already realized it.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Tom Vadakkan, thanking you for joining in with your party's views on what has been said by Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi has made those comments against the Prime Minister. Let's take a listen.